1,050 cc's in an RMZ badge? Yes, you heard that right. Suzuki just turned the off-road world upside down with the 2027 RMZ 1050, and this isn't your typical dirt bike. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're covering something completely unprecedented, the 2027 RMZ 1050. Suzuki has taken a massive leap into uncharted territory, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about this absolute powerhouse. Design. The RMZ 1050 sports an imposing presence that immediately sets it apart from anything in Suzuki's lineup. The chassis has been completely redesigned to handle the massive displacement, featuring reinforced frame geometry and a wider stance for stability. The aggressive bodywork blends motocross DNA with adventure bike functionality, while the signature Suzuki yellow pops against the black and gray accents. This is clearly a machine built for riders who want maximum versatility without compromising on presence. Performance. Under the hood sits a liquid-cooled 1050cc four-stroke engine that delivers absolutely monstrous torque across the entire power band. But here's the impressive part. Suzuki has managed to keep it controllable. Multiple ride modes allow you to tame or unleash the beast, depending on terrain and skill level. The advanced suspension system handles everything from tight trails to high-speed desert runs, while the braking system provides serious stopping power to match all those horses. Features and technology. Suzuki loaded this bike with cutting-edge tech. We're talking ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, cornering ABS, and a full-colored TFT display that gives you all the information you need at a glance. The adjustable seat height accommodates different rider sizes, and the substantial fuel capacity means you can tackle serious adventures without constant refueling stops. Conclusion. The 2027 RMZ 1050 is a bold statement that redefines what's possible in the off-road segment. If this review revved your engine, hit that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more cutting-edge coverage. Comment below with your thoughts on this beast, and share this with fellow riders who need to see this machine. Catch you on the next one.